Hello Robin, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. Presenting a personal video for you for the 2012 VT750 Shadow Aero. 14,802 kilometers and the price only $59.99 plus HST and licensing. The bike comes with a few accessories including the price, which is the engine guard, highway pegs, windshield, backrest, and CC bars. So fully safety certified for you. Bike is kind of new, and also has an extra floorboards for the passenger. I understand that you have a trade. If you call me with the information about your trade, I'm very happy to assist you. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to take all the information about your trade and put the deal together. Thank you.